with another Save Yourself a Trip video at 614 East Lynfield. We're testing smoke detectors because the appraiser says they should be in working condition. There's no one in the basement. Ouch! Moving to the furnace room. I did nothing to those except test those. We will go upstairs now. My assistant will be following me rapidly so as not to bore you all with this test. When we were here with the inspector, the smoke detector in the living room was in working condition. When I got here today, the cover was off and the battery was loose. Thank you. That was. I came prepared with a pocket full of batteries and more smoke detectors in case any of them were not working. However, they are all working. This is number 1, 2, 3, 4. We will proceed to the bedroom. The active bedroom. This one had me fooled. I thought the battery was dead. You just have to hold the button for a long time. Station number 2. One, two, 3 bedrooms, 1 living room, 1 kitchen, 2 in the basement. They all work. Thank you, Mr. Appraiser.